Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix AMD driver timeout. Now step 1 is just go to the search bar of your Windows and search here device manager, and once you search device manager, so you will be sent to this section. So you can just open it, and inside the display adapters just click on it and you will see your graphic driver AMD Radeon graphics. So my driver is AMD, so just right click on it and you will see this option called update driver. So just click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. As you can see, like this has been best drivers has been already installed, so just close it. Now if it is still not working, just right click on it and click on uninstall device. And once you click on uninstall device, so basically attempt to remove the driver for this device, just click on uninstall. And once the drivers are uninstalled, after that just restart your laptop or PC, and let's check that if your issue is still fixed or not. But let's say that you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just go to search bar and just write here update, go to the Windows updates, check for updates, and just click on check for updates. If your Windows has any updates, just make sure to update your Windows to the latest version to avoid any kind of issues, and turn this option on as well, like get the latest updates as soon as they are available. And hopefully after that your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.